In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to add content to your app using the 3Dissue app software. After having created your app, you will be brought to the content page. This page is where you can add content into sections in your app. So on the left-hand side of the page, you will see there is a list of sections. Currently there is only one default section, and in the center of the page you will see all the various content types that are made available to add to your app. Firstly, let's rename this section. We are going to call it Blog. We can also add a few more sections, which I'm going to do right now. I will name them Social, Video, and Magazine. You do not need to use these names, they are just examples. You can design your app however you see fit. For the purpose of this video, we have chosen this structure. I'm just going to jump back up to the blog section and I'm going to begin adding content. Firstly, I will add the 3Dissue RSS feed from our own blog. You can see now below we can do a few things. Firstly, we can take this little plus and it can show all of the articles that we have added. And the other thing we need to do is check the Collect Full Article option. If we leave this unchecked, it will only display a summary, a paragraph, or a few lines of your article. So for example, if you've included a third-party article, it would be best to do this to avoid taking all of their content. For the articles listed below, there are three options. The three options are Edit, Hide, and Feature. The Edit icon allows you to change the way the app will read the content, or to change the content in the article you have chosen to display. If I click Edit, you will see that you are able to change the formatting. You can add or delete text. For example, we can make this bold, and we can center align it. This will not change the content on your website. It will just be within the app. We can also embed images and videos and so on. You can even change the date of publishment. So if I wanted to backdate it a few weeks, it could easily be done. When I click OK, the changes are all saved. I can also change the title of the article if I choose to do so. The Hide button allows me to hide the article. It still appears in this list, but it won't be visible in your app. This feature may be useful for articles that are out of date or something you would like to hide for a few days. The Feature button allows you to make that article prominent or at the top of the list of the articles. You can only have one feature article per section. Let's have a look at the Social section and add our Facebook page, which I can search for easily as it is a public page. If I was to use a private account, I would need to authorize my app to access content on your Facebook page, and that will give the system permission to access your photos and other posts. To do this, you can simply log in with your Facebook username and password. For the video section, I'm going to add in our YouTube channel, which again I can search up by name. Finally, I'm going to jump to the magazine section and add one of our flipbooks. For this, you need a link to your existing publication, so I already have one here, and I'm just going to copy the URL and place it here. Now I am given the option to either add just that single magazine, the profile from the library containing that magazine, or to include the entire library. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to add the entire library, and that will include all of magazines created into the app. What I can do now is view all the sample publications. If I hit Next, I can show you a quick sample. So this will build a live preview showing the added content being displayed in my app. There you go.